Hello, this is Shay Jackson with Hype Educational Specialist. Today, we will be going over percentage word problems for grades 5th through 7th. Let's get started. Our first problem states, at Moni's Beauty Salon, a hairdresser gave 4 haircuts that cost $13 each and 6 hair relaxers that cost $30 each. If the hairdresser pays 60% of her profits, how much will the salon collect from the hairdresser? Number 1, we're going to see what we're looking for, and also 2, what information is needed to help me solve this problem. What am I looking for? I am looking to see how much the beauty salon will collect from the hairdresser. What information do I need to solve the problem? I need to know 1, that the hairdresser gave 4 haircuts for $13 each, B, that she gave 6 hair relaxers for $30 each, and also C, that she pays the salon 60% of her profits. Let's solve A and B. So A, the hairdresser gave 4 haircuts for $13 each. In order to find out how much that is total, I will multiply $13 times 4 haircuts, and that is equal to $52. Secondly, she gave 6 hair relaxers for $30 each. In our problem, we know that the relaxers cost $30 and that the hairdresser gave 6. I will multiply $30 times 6, and that will equal $90. So my total profits will be the money that I make from the haircuts plus the money that is made from the hair relaxers. That's $52 plus $90, so the hairdresser's total profit is $142. That's $52 plus $90. Now that I know the total profit, what I must do next is calculate how much the hairdresser must pay to the salon. In our problem, it says that she has to pay 60% of her profits. So let's figure out what the salon fee is. I will take the total profits times the percent of the profit due. We know that our total profits is $142 and our percent is 60%. Now, before I multiply, I must remember to convert the percent to a decimal. And in order to do that, I take the 60 and I move the decimal place 2 places to the left. So that will make it 0.60. 142 times 0.60 is equal to $85.20. Again, in order to calculate the salon fee, I am going to multiply my total profits times the percent of the profit due. But for 60%, I must convert that into a decimal. So 142 times 0.60 is $85.20. So my answer of how much will the salon collect from the hairdresser, it will be the salon fee, which is $85.20. Our next problem states, Dwayne took a math test that had 40 questions. If he answered 85% of the answers correct, how many questions did he get correct? We need to know what we're looking for and also what information is needed to solve the problem. We are looking for how many questions did Dwayne get correct on his math test. Now, what information do I need in order to solve this problem? One, or A, I need to know that the math test had 40 questions, and also B, Dwayne answered 85% of the answers correct. In order for us to find out how many questions Dwayne answered correct, we must take the total number of questions times the percentage of answers correct. Again, we must take the total number of questions and multiply that by the percentage of answers correct. We know that there are 40 questions total on the test, and also that Dwayne answered 85% correct. Remember, before you multiply a percent, make sure you convert it to a decimal. So 85% converted to a decimal is 0.85. When I multiply 40 questions times 0.85, the number of questions he answered correct is 34 questions. Again, we're going to multiply the total number of questions times the percentage of answers correct. 40 questions times 0.85 is equal to 34 questions. So to answer our questions, how many questions did Dwayne get correct? The answer is 34 questions. Thank you for going over this video with me. This was really good. It is for grades 5th through 7th. It is percent problems using whole numbers. Talk to you soon.